Good morning.
Morning. Again, we didn't close the vlog yesterday.
I'm blinking because I've just wiped my face because I was getting very hot and I've got sweat in my eyes now, so it's stinging. So,
morning.
Bloodshot eye blog. Hello.
Yeah, just thought we'd close vlogging yesterday from Barcelona.
We didn't get a chance. We were walking, but it was a fantastic day.
So we did 20,000 steps. Woo!
Yeah, so always round. Today's a quiet day. It's a pool day.
Yeah.
So we're going to be here by the pool. I can't really turn it around because there's lots of people, but
yeah,
we'll insert some photos about here.
Just get it at the night time.
And then we'll see, and then you'll see what we can see. So won't be vlogging much today. We just have a relaxing one, aren't we?
Yeah, just by the pool day, that's all. Like I say, we're not going to vlog because it's, I don't know, it's by the pool, isn't it? Although we don't mind if people capture us. We don't know what other people are like.
Right, we're going to pop down to the beach actually. That's probably some place we will be able to show you.
Yeah.
A little cove that's down behind us. So we'll have a great day.
Some old cove behind us.
Yeah, yes, the old cove. And we'll catch you later.
Right, see you later. Please. As if by magic, a view appears. Pay a bit more to get the pool and sea view, but it's not that much more. It's worth it to guarantee this view. You may get this view, but to pay extra you are actually guaranteed this view. It's all worth it. So I'm just going to play cards this evening and then go down for tea. See you soon, bye. A quick game of cards. I can hear the rustle of Chris in the background. Quick game of cards. You're shuffling the pack.
Yep. I didn't get that very well, look at that. I get shut.
Yeah, you got to have your race, Chris.
Do you want to do a Texas shuffle? It takes us half an hour to pick them up.
That's it. Alright, just going to deal the cards. Then come back to the card game. Wait for them to be open. Get the concentration on his face. As we play the cards. I've not got a bad hand actually. Got to sort it out a bit better. But yes, not got a bad hand. I can't tell you to show me your hand. Yes, you could. Yes, it's a reverse hand. I think John's won that one.
So we've got 3 2s.
Yeah.
And then
9, 10,
9, 10, 12. So this is downtown Salou. Dare we say downtown? It's the right description. It's one of the main shopping drags. Just off the front. Lots of different shops. Some nice shops actually. Yeah, you can buy a house here as well. It's not been that bad a holiday for me to need out for a good. But this is where the train used to cross over, so obviously now you have to get the train from either Tarragona or Camp Tarragona, which is apparently about 15 kilometres outside the city centre, but that's where the faster train goes from, whereas the more regional trains go from the other place. But there we go, the line is dead. It is no more, apparently because the quicker line went past it, so it's not good because it was a bit of a devil to try and get the bus down. The bus driver, or the taxi, I was used to drive really slow and used to end up legging it down this street, but it was a lot more convenient for them to get on a bus and then walk probably 25 minutes from the bus station, or 20 minutes from the bus station, up and down to the Tarragona train station. So, yeah, it's still doable. Barcelona is still within reach from Cap Salou, but it's not quite as easy as it was. But hey, you know, can't fault this place, Cap Salou at all. It's really lovely. Alley Hop, I've lost the girls in Alley Hop because they just are absolutely fascinated with the store with the cow. So we'll go inside and have a look around. So you've got absolutely everything weird in here, but amazing. Bubble camera, why not? Everybody needs one. Colour your own bag, colour your own socks. Really cool. And stay positive.
Make your day, take away from the sign that says you're welcome. When you haven't got time to stop, make it McDonald's to go. A visit to McDonald's makes your day.
So much different stuff in there.
Yeah.
American style chicken buffalo, signature goat cheese. Yeah. I like the triple cheeseburger and the triple chicken mayo.
Oh yeah.
Stack,
Double chicken mayo.
stack them up.
Sides.
Look at them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's what you call sides.
Yeah, that's proper sides.
What we had the other day.
Yeah. Chicken bites. McShaker fries. Yeah.
Salad.
Yeah, I like our hamburgers aside. That's quite cool. What's new?
Cheesy intense full menu large.
Double cheesy intense.
It's just like, how many things have you got?
Oh, Daniel Street.
Yeah. And there's